Hi everyone, it's Easy Bee Travel here, and I am so hyped for this video. We're about to drop in on the best ski spots around the globe, the kind of places that make you want to ski until the sun goes down. Get ready for face shots, epic views, and enough powder to bury a small country. We're talking next level skiing, the kind that'll make you want to book a flight right this second. Let's hit it. First up, we're heading to Verbier, Switzerland, where the backcountry skiing is the stuff of legends. Imagine this, you, your crew, and endless fields of untouched powder just begging to be carved. The best time to hit Verbier for fresh tracks is between December and April, when the snow is deep and the stoke is high. Just check out this drone footage. The mountains here are insane, and the people, they're not just skiing here, they're living it, breathing it, and absolutely sending it. Next stop, we're jetting off to Niseko United, Japan, the holy grail of powder hounds. They say Japan gets more snow than anywhere else in the world, and Niseko is where it all goes down. We're talking waist-deep powder, fluffy as a cloud, and it just keeps coming. The best time to experience this winter wonderland is from December to February, when the snow gods are working overtime. Just look at this drone footage. It's like something out of a dream. And the locals? They know how to find the best lines and the freshest powder stashes. Hold on tight because we're going to St. Anton am Arlberg, Austria, a true paradise for adrenaline junkies and expert skiers. Nestled in the heart of the Austrian Alps, this resort is renowned for its breathtaking scenery and world-class skiing opportunities. This place is not for the faint of heart, with steep slopes, challenging terrain, and some of the most exhilarating off-piste skiing in the world. Whether you're carving down the groomed runs or exploring the backcountry, every moment here's an adventure. The best time to conquer these mountains is between December and April, when the snow is prime and the crowds are buzzing with energy. The village comes alive with après-ski activities, making it a perfect blend of thrill and relaxation. This drone footage will blow your mind. The sheer scale of these mountains is unreal. The panoramic views from above give you a true sense of the vastness and beauty of this alpine wonderland. And the skiers here? They're pushing their limits, sending it off cliffs, and making the impossible look easy. It's a spectacle of skill and bravery, where only the best come to test their mettle. Get ready for Whistler Blackcomb, Canada, home to the largest ski area in North America and a legendary après-ski scene. We're talking over 8,000 acres of skiable terrain. From gentle groomers to gnarly chutes, there's something here for everyone. The best time to experience Whistler's magic is between December and April, when the snow is deep and the vibes are high. Check out this drone footage. The sheer size of this place is mind-blowing. And the people, they're here for the skiing, the snowboarding, the nightlife, and everything in between. Next up, we're off to Aspen, Colorado, where luxury meets adventure in the heart of the Rocky Mountains. This place is all about high-end boutiques, world-class dining, and of course, some of the best skiing in the world. The best time to experience Aspen's unique blend of glamour and adventure is between December and April, when the snow is sparkling and the champagne is flowing. Just look at this drone footage. The scenery here is absolutely breathtaking. And the people, they're here to ski hard, play hard, and enjoy the finer things in life. Let's now go to Courchevel, France, a ski resort synonymous with elegance, exclusivity, and world-class skiing. Nestled in the French Alps, Courchevel is part of the largest linked ski area in the world, Les Trois Vallées. This place is all about Michelin-starred restaurants, designer boutiques, and some of the most luxurious chalets in the world. Imagine staying in a chalet with a private chef, spa, and breathtaking mountain views. The best time to experience Courchevel's unique blend of sophistication and adventure is between December and April, when the snow is pristine and the atmosphere is electric. During this period, the resort comes alive with a variety of winter activities and events. This drone footage will take your breath away. The views from these slopes are simply incredible. And the skiers here, they range from beginners to seasoned experts, all enjoying the immaculate conditions. They're a mix of serious powder hounds and those who appreciate the finer things in life. Whether you're here for the thrill of the slopes or the luxury of the après-ski, Courchevel offers an unparalleled experience. Prepare to be amazed by Zermatt, Switzerland, a car-free village nestled beneath the iconic Matterhorn. This place is all about breathtaking scenery, challenging slopes, and a charming village atmosphere. The best time to experience Zermatt's unique blend of beauty and adventure is between December and April, when the snow is perfect and the views are unforgettable. Just look at this drone footage. The Matterhorn dominating the skyline is a sight you'll never forget. And the skiers here? They're here for the challenge, the scenery, and the chance to ski in one of the most iconic ski destinations in the world. Vail, Colorado. Another gem in the Rocky Mountains, known for its expansive terrain and charming village atmosphere. This place is all about endless powder days, challenging back bowls, and a vibrant après-ski scene. The best time to experience Vail's unique blend of adventure and relaxation is between December and April, when the snow is deep and the good times are rolling. Check out this drone footage. The sheer scale of these mountains is awe-inspiring. And the people? They're here for the skiing, the snowboarding, the nightlife, and the chance to escape to a winter wonderland. We're going back to Japan, and this time to Hakuba Valley, another legendary powder destination that will leave you speechless. This place is all about deep powder, steep slopes, and a unique blend of Japanese culture and alpine adventure. The best time to experience Hakuba Valley's magic is between December and February, when the snow is at its deepest and the powder hounds are out in full force. Just look at this drone footage. It's like something out of a dream. And the locals, they're some of the friendliest and most welcoming people you'll ever meet on the slopes. Last but not least, we're finishing our journey in Chamonix, France, a mecca for extreme skiers and adventurers from around the globe. This iconic destination is renowned for its breathtaking landscapes and challenging slopes that attract thrill seekers year-round. This place is not for the faint of heart, with challenging off-piste terrain, glaciers, and the legendary Aiguille du Midi, a peak that will test even the most experienced skiers. The sheer drop and rugged terrain demands skill, courage, and a passion for the extreme. The best time to experience Chamonix's raw beauty and adrenaline-pumping adventure is between December and April, when the snow is prime and the mountains are calling. During these months, the snow is at its deepest, providing the perfect canvas for unforgettable skiing experiences. This drone footage will leave you speechless, capturing the majestic peaks and expansive ski slopes from above. The panoramic views offer a glimpse into the vastness and splendor of this winter wonderland. The sheer scale and grandeur of these mountains is unlike anything you've ever seen. And the skiers here? They're pushing their limits, chasing their dreams, and embracing the spirit of adventure with every run, and etching their names in the history books of skiing. Chamonix is where legends are made, where every descent is a story of triumph, and every skier is a part of a legacy that continues to inspire. And there you have it, guys, our whirlwind tour of the best ski destinations in the world. From the backcountry bliss of Verbier to the challenging slopes of Chamonix, we've covered it all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel inspiration. We'll be bringing you more incredible destinations, breathtaking footage, and insider tips to help you plan your next adventure. Which destination are you adding to your bucket list? Let me know in the comments below. Until then, happy travels, and I'll see you on the next video.